Hey guys and gals, Mike Cricket 113, and this is brand new from President Electronics, the President George FCC CB radio with AM, FM, and sideband. Has the CT CSS tones and DCS tones that you could use on FM, which I'm really happy about. Like I said in the other video, it's going to be compared. It's going to work well with the President Harrison. So I just powered it up. It does have 7 colors, but I'm keeping it on orange. I really like the orange look. I really like these lit up in the background for your volume and squelch, and also your channel selecting knob, which also is your mode function where you can push that in and get to certain settings and whatnot. Let's see, on the front of the radio here, we got your USB for charging your phone, your mode button, and then a long press will hit PA and your memory function, your menu button, and for your CT, CSS tones, and another channel memory, your scan and your scan skip, your dual watch, your automatic noise limiter, noise blanker, and high cut, another memory, your emergency, which I know on the newer President radios, you can program what emergency channel you want to use. So if you got a local, you can put that in there. Looks like we got a monitor button. We got the Vox and noise gate, your Vox set, your CB and weather band, your noise reduction circuit button, your alert button, talkback button right there on the radio. That's good. And a function and a lock button. So that's even better. You can lock the radio. So when your kids come to play, they don't change the channel or your settings or anything of that nature. So that's awesome. Also has your clarifier down here, and the clarifier, your plus to minus. There's no stop little bit there, so that's all right. That's all right. But that's there. So I got the MFJ 1870 SWR power meter, average, and PEP meter on here. So why don't we scream audio and and whistle a little bit and see what kind of power right out of the box the President George FCC does. All right, so bear with me here. So you know, I'm using the President Digimic as the microphone. The George will come with the stock microphone that President makes that always sounds really good with the radio, but I'm using this Digimic that I really prefer, to be honest with you. So let's see if the noise reduction circuit is on or off. Let's check that out. Let me lower this volume a bit here.
And RC off.
All right, it's off. So that's good. The Digimic has 5 noise reduction circuits, selections you can pick. So for doing the average and the PEP power test on the President George, I'm going to shut that off, as you just saw. So we're going to get off channel 38 here and go down to channel 35 lower sideband so we don't interrupt anybody, and give it a try. Now I'm going to want this in PEP mode. I already did my SWR test. So for lower sideband, here's the power test. I'm going to be silly here. Audio, 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 audio. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, not too bad, not too bad. It's pushing 10 to 12 watts, a little bit over. Depending the cadence of your voice, it's going to change. But there's only modulation from your voice to test on single sideband. So as you know, so let's try that again. Audio, audio, audio. Yeah, so she swings. She definitely swings. So that's good there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go down to channel 20. Let's go to channel 20. We're going to go to hit the mode button here. AM, there we go. There, we're going to do an AM test for amplitude modulation. We're going to do the PEP test. Or no, we're going to do the average test right off the bat. So I'm just going to key the microphone here. This is just the radio. Oh, wow. I can't really tell there. Looks like 5 watts. Looks like 5 watts. Maybe it's like point. I would say it's 4.8 or something out of the box. Okay. This being an analog meter, who knows? So all right. So we did that. We're gonna push our button in for PEP. Remember, we're on channel 20 and we're doing AM, and the noise reduction circuit's off on the Digimic. So here we go. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, anywhere swinging anywhere between 10 and 20 watts there. I mean, mind you, I just whistled, but normal modulation from Mike Cricket 113's voice is anywhere between 10 and 14, 15 watts on the swing on AM. Dead key was about 5 watts on this meter. So let's try FM real quick. Now we're on FM, frequency modulation. I'm going to put this back to average power because there is no swing on FM. There's no swing. So we're going to dead key it with the Digimic, and should be the same as AM, about 5 watts on FM. That's brilliant. So it's probably like 4.8, but yep, that's it. So that's the President George. FCC, brand new from President Electronics. You can look on their website and see all about the radio. And once again, we'll have more videos to come, but I just wanted to show you that. I hope you guys have a good one and enjoy the holiday season. Maybe the bride or the girlfriend will put this under your Christmas tree. So check it out. Check out the President George FCC AM, FM, and single sideband brand new CB radio. This is Mike Cricket 113. We're gone.